Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel TechUp, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can go live from your laptop on your TikTok account. To do so, you just have to log into your TikTok account first, and after logging into your TikTok account, you can see here a profile icon on the top right side of your screen. From here, if you hover over your mouse, you can see all of these options here. Now, after seeing all of these options, go on to Live Studio. After going on to Live Studio, it will take you to a different page where now you need to download a different application in order to start your live. And the application is TikTok Studio. Now after downloading the app, here you can see is TikTok Live Studio, and after you have downloaded the app and open it up on your laptop or PC, you can see this type of screen where now you need to log in to begin. From here, you just have to log into your TikTok account and you'll be able to start your live right here on your PC. And that's how you can go live on your PC on your TikTok. This was for this video, and if you have any queries about the live process, feel free to comment down on our video and I'll be happy to help you. I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.